Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tracy. Please don't forget to subscribe. So today I'll be using Madam Glam to do my base coat on these stiletto nails. So I have different brands. I have Kara Sky, Madam Glam, and Orly. But when I was in school, of course we use school supplies, and we still weren't sure what we wanted to use in terms of, well, I wasn't sure what I wanted to use in products. I didn't even know what products were out there. And so I ended up trying to figure it out in the meantime, so practice. So I ended up going on Amazon and buying some really inexpensive polish, but I still have them and I think I still love them. But afterwards I fell in love with Orly because Orly came out with the builder gel, and you could build nails, builder in a bottle I should say. You could build nails with one bottle, and I love that idea. So with this, you guys, I'm doing the base, which is the that I guess nude color, and then on the tip part I'll be using like the jelly that I just showed you in different colors. So anyways, so Orly was the first product. I ended up buying a lot of their polishes and I still love them. And then next I went to Kara Sky because I loved all her bright fluorescent colors. I loved the feel of her bottles. And then I tried dip powder, and then I didn't try any acrylic yet of her because I already had, different supplies that I had from school, and I realized working with acrylic was not something I was going to continue doing just because of the smell was too harsh for me. I still have some that I ordered when I was, ordering small bottles or packages to practice with. But I end up loving the builder gels and the like Apres system, and then Kara Sky came out with her jelly tips, kind of the same process. And so her set is more affordable than the Apres system, but they both do the same thing. I have used both of them, and I like them. So it's just what you prefer. But I kind of in love with Kara Sky's products. She has what do you call it? She has like a mobile lamp, and also for her drill. What I mean is that she you don't have to plug it in, you just plug it in to charge it. But I already had got my Young Nail drill before I got hers. I have the lamp, but I already have an Orly lamp, but I ended up getting Kara Sky's cordless lamp, sorry. And then she came out with the drill, cordless drill, and I'm so mad right now because I love it. So you guys, you see what I'm doing with this? It's just using that nude color to give it a French look, and then I use the jelly for the different color tips, and I'll be using those different charms just to add a little flair to the nails with different charm, decor, and style, and just to see how I'm a person where, like my sister calls me a gypsy because I love a lot of jewelry, I love a lot of bling, I love a lot of rhinestone and sparkle. So I know that Cardi B Nail Tech is the queen of bling. I want to be called the queen of sparkle then, because everything that I've been doing, I love everything that sparkles. That's just me. But anyways, yeah, so I have the only thing, so for Young Nail, I tried their builder gel. I've tried their they're like their drill, but I haven't bought any of their polish because at the time I already had a lot of Kara Sky, I already had a lot of Orly, and so and I just I ended up getting Madam Glam too because I watched a YouTuber and she used a lot of Madam Glam, so I got a lot of Madam Glam too, and I liked her stuff. So right now in my home I have, like I said, an Amazon product that I can't remember the name, lavender I think, but they're hard to find now. They come more of a package than individual colors. And then I have Orly, Kara Sky, and Madam Glam. And then for regular, I also have lacquer in those as well. And then back in the day before I went to nail school, I ended up buying a lot of polish from Rite Aid, and I still have those. So I will be using probably a regular lacquer for my pedicure coming up soon, but I'm still deciding on what color I want. But in the meantime, I will be putting up, I think the next video coming up will be another cooking video, just because I like to find shortcuts to do things, and I like to share that with you guys, because you know, I work from home, I have 2 kids, and I work out almost every day, and so it's exhausting to always be cooking. And I don't like really cooking, but it's something I have to do to feed the kids and my hubby, because I think if I don't cook, they would just eat whatever, and I try to eat healthy, you know, at all times. So today will be a little healthy trick to leftover food. So that's another one coming up. But I love this nail, you guys, because I love the dollars, I love the gun, I love the little lady with the hair ponytail, and the skull. Basically, this set right here is, you know, you might like guns, but you like money. You might not like the skull, but you like the head. You know, it should please somebody. So that's my little drill that I am using to put in the charms. And you could also use regular drill. Well, this one is a drill. You just kind of like pierce it in there. Whereas you could use your regular e-file to make, if you have the correct e-file drill, you could go ahead and use that as well. So I'll be putting that in the nail. And I love this nail, you guys, but it's so hard when I have on charms that expand or protrudes out of the nail. It's always get caught in my hair, or, you know, I'm a busybody, so I always get caught. But, you know, these are press-on, so they were easy to, you know, stay on for a couple days and maybe keep a hairstyle for the same 3 days or whatever. I kept on these nails. So today, right now, my hubby is painting my son's room, and we will be putting up a video of that soon. And you could check that out maybe the next 3 to 4 videos coming up, because I have food that I'll be putting up tomorrow. And Sunday's a little probably a little decoration to my table, my nail table. But I'm still deciding what my videos, I try not to make them any more longer than 10 minutes, because I know when I watch videos, I just want to get to the point. I don't want to hear a lot of conversations, but I know some people like the conversation, and I know too YouTube analytics like it when they have more, when it's longer than 10 minutes. But sometimes I have 3 minutes. I think yesterday's video was like 2 minutes. So, but anyways, this is what it looks like. I still have these on my display board. They are gorgeous. I think, you know, I can't say these are my favorite, but they're one of them. And I love the jelly look. And I have on a pink French tip if you want to check those out. I didn't have the French tips, so the pink ones, so I just ended up painting them and putting them on. So that was a cute little trick that I did in a previous video. So anyways, hope you guys are being safe with this Rona, and please don't forget to subscribe or go to my Instagram page, which is My Life on the Hill, and my TikTok also is My Life on the Hill. So watch the rest of this video, and as you can tell in my voice, I'm so tired. Like, I don't know, it's just a cool day, and I just want to chill. It's Saturday. I want to chill and relax. So but I'm trying to put up a video every day. Hopefully that triggers the analytics to start promoting me even more on here. So aren't these cute, guys? They're so cute. I love them. Anyways, watch the rest of the video without me babbling on and on and on. Have a great day. Bye bye.